Celsius. After that, my friends, we will add to the milk this special liquid. This is rennet. Rennet is a natural animal enzyme that we add.
So yan guys, yan yung in-order ni Al. So tinanong namin kanina kung good for 2 ba. Pero parang nakita namin, parang baka mabitin kami. So nag-order ulit kami. Yan yung parang mixed seafoods nila. 19 euros. Nagkasama ng fries.
Hi, it's Jel and welcome to my channel. On our way to Volendam to visit the cheese making factory.
So sa next stop na tayo guys, yung Volendam. So wait me
in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gusto ko sanang magpaiwan dito. Sobrang ganda kasi ayaw ko lang yung super windy nila na ano. Super windy siya. Pero sobrang ganda ng place. Napunta na tayo ng Volendam. 45 minutes away siya doon kanina sa mga windmills na pinuntahan namin. Sobrang ganda ng view.
Posibilidad para comer. También hay un restaurante que nosotros recomienda. Después comida para las personas que tienes brazalete verdes con el barco hasta marca para personas que tienes rojo. Con el bus hasta Marken es la vista de fábrica de los suecos para las personas que tienes brazalete verde y después regresamos a Amsterdam con el autobús.
Papunta na kami dun sa area kung saan meron silang cheese making or cheese factory. Meron silang mga restaurant, maybe souvenirs. Where? Factory. Volendam. So, dito tayo. Cheese factory demonstration.
So inside they will show you how to make the cheese. After that, yum yum yum, you can try all the cheeses. Once you're ready with all the tasting, just please wait outside, and from here in groups I will show you the next meeting point. Then you will also have your free time for pictures and for lunch and for souvenir shopping, alright? Perfect.
Hello, my friends. Hello. Welcome. Going down the stairs over there, my friends. There we will find some seats, okay? And please wait for my colleague for a nice demonstration.
Thank you. So, inaantay na lang namin yung mga staff na magde-demonstrate ng cheese making.
Feel the salt crystals inside, and it really feels very nice. But together with this specific 3-year-old Gouda, my friends, is really very... How hard it is? I will tell you another secret. This is the reason why Dutchmen are afraid of their women. If they don't behave, they know what to do, okay? But please don't use it on your husbands and wives, okay? Now, my friends, let's move on. I have to tell you that all our cheeses are perfectly sealed and wrapped in special wax. So the cheese is 100%. Sorry, protected at all times, okay? It means that it doesn't need any refrigeration for at least 2 weeks. No fridge needed. It also means that if you want to get some cheese back home, you may perfectly do so by putting your cheese in your luggage, in your handbag. You can even place it under your arm, my friends. Literally, okay? You can fly with it, you can dive with it, by bike, by any other means. The cheese will be always there, very fresh and tasty. But once you get home and once open, please keep inside the fridge and consume within 4 or 5 weeks, my friends. Also, I forgot to tell you that in order to make our flavored Gouda, we do not use animal rennet. Instead of that, we use plant-based rennet, which make our flavored Gouda vegetarian. So for those of you who are vegetarian, you are perfectly safe, my friends. These cheeses are vegetarian, very nice, very tasty. You will love that. That's about all. The last thing I wanted to show you, Dutch people cannot do without these 2 instruments. So this is my slicer and this is a grater. In order to eat the cheese, we have to remove this wax, okay? We cannot eat the wax, so it goes like this. We need the slicer to remove the wax. We don't bite it, we don't try it, nothing. We just throw it away, okay? And inside what we have is our nicely shaped Gouda, which goes like this. It gives us perfect slices. Thank you very much. In 2 minutes time, we will all go and get some cheese. Yes.
So ready na tayo for cheese tasting, guys. Cheese taste. Thank you. Ano pa lang?
Makahang itong isa.
Ano yan?
Hindi, ano na. Ayaw ito makahang. Gusto mo na?
Yan.
Baka ko ito.
Yan, ang sumas. Ikaw, kung may nagustuhan ka.
Kapiyaw. Smoke.
What's this?
Smoke cheese.
This one is smoked cheese.
Whiskey, whatever you may think of.
Thank you. Ah,
Umaliguro?
natilawan mo na?
Yung may cheese ka, may slicer, oh.
Ah, okay.
How many?
This cheese as well. What's Palang mas nice sila tote bags. 3 for 10. Oh, shucks.
Picture the car.
Yeah. Later. Ang mura ng mga souvenirs nila dito, guys, compared dun sa Amsterdam Central mismo.
Balik sa bus. Pabilisan mo na eh.
Ayan guys, parang dalawa na lang kami ni Alang sumusunod sa aming ano. Pancakes and waffles. So yan guys, yan yung in-order ni Al. So tinanong namin kanina kung good for 2 ba, pero parang nakita namin parang baka mabitin kami, so nag-order ulit kami. Yan yung parang mixed seafoods nila, 19 euros. Nagkasama ng fries. Pero yung drinks hindi siya kasama. So ayan guys, same lang kami ng in-order ni Al. Ang sarap.